Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Management Blueprint for cross-border income, and how global investors can manage dividend income, foreign taxes, tax residency, treaty benefits, reporting, and documentation in a smart and compliant way. To begin with, cross-border dividend tax planning starts by identifying your income sources. You should know which countries your dividends come from, what types of investments are generating the income, and whether the income is paid through stocks, funds, business interests, or international accounts. When the source of income is clear, it becomes easier to understand which tax rules may apply. Next, it is important to understand your tax residency. Your residency status can decide where you must report income and where you may owe tax. Some people may be residents in one country but receive dividends from another country. Therefore, knowing your residency position helps avoid confusion, missed reporting, or unexpected tax bills. After that, you should check tax treaty benefits. Many countries have tax treaties that may reduce or sometimes eliminate double taxation on cross-border dividend income. These treaties may also reduce withholding tax rates at the source. So, reviewing applicable treaty rules can help you keep more after-tax income while staying compliant. Then, you need to manage withholding tax. In many cases, foreign dividends are taxed before the money reaches your account. This is called withholding tax. If the rate is too high, it may reduce your investment return. However, with proper forms, treaty claims, or tax documentation, some investors may qualify for lower withholding rates. Moving forward, foreign tax credits can be very helpful. If tax has already been paid in another country, your home country may allow a credit to reduce double taxation on the same income. This means you may not have to pay tax twice on the same dividend, but the rules must be followed carefully. In addition, accurate reporting is essential. Foreign dividend income and foreign taxes paid should be reported clearly according to the rules of your country. Missing income, reporting late, or using incorrect amounts may lead to penalties. That is why investors should keep statements, tax certificates, and supporting records ready. At the same time, you may need to consider investment structures. Holding companies, trusts, funds, or different account types may affect tax treatment, reporting requirements, and withholding rates. These structures should not be used only for tax savings. They should be reviewed carefully to make sure they are legal, practical, and suitable for your situation. Moreover, currency impact should not be ignored. Cross-border dividend income may be paid in foreign currency, and exchange rates can affect the value of your income and your final return. Currency conversion may also affect reporting amounts, gains, losses, and tax calculations. Finally, strong documentation is one of the most important parts of cross-border tax management. You should keep dividend statements, withholding certificates, tax forms, residency documents, treaty claim forms, foreign tax credit records, and all supporting paperwork. Good records support your tax claims and make it easier to answer questions from tax authorities. Now, let's connect this to the main checklist. First, identify all countries where dividend income is earned. Then, confirm your tax residency. Next, review applicable tax treaties and check withholding tax rates. After that, plan for foreign tax credits and report income correctly. Also, review your investment structures and keep complete documentation. However, there are some common mistakes to avoid. One mistake is ignoring tax treaties and paying higher withholding tax than necessary. Another mistake is not claiming available foreign tax credits. Some investors also assume the wrong residency status, miss foreign reporting requirements, or fail to keep proper records. In addition, overlooking currency movement and compliance risks can reduce returns and create tax problems. Overall, smart cross-border dividend tax management is about planning globally, reducing unnecessary tax legally, and staying compliant worldwide. When investors understand income sources, residency, treaties, withholding, credits, reporting, structures, currency, and records, they can manage global dividend income with more confidence. This video is for general educational purposes only and should not be treated as legal, tax, or financial advice. Cross-border tax rules can vary by country, treaty, account type, investment structure, and personal situation, so always consult a qualified tax professional before making decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.